Welcome to our YouTube channel Fit Life Facts.
Hey guys. Today we will see how to build 6-pack abs. The 1, do 4 sets of 12 basic crunches. Number 2, lift your knees and hips to do reverse crunches. Number 3, add bicycle crunches to your routine. Number 4, extend your arms to do overhead crunches. Now we will say how to perform plank exercises. Number 1, plank with proper technique to avoid getting injured. Start by lying on your stomach with your head facing down, forearms on the floor, and palms flat on the floor. Try holding the plank for 10 to 15 seconds. Continue to breathe as you hold the position. If planking for 10 to 15 seconds isn't challenging, try increasing the time to 30 to 45 seconds. Sculpt your abs and obliques with side planks. Keep your elbow bent directly under your shoulder. Your head, neck, and spine should make a straight line. Continue breathing as you hold the side plank. Try holding it for 10 to 15 seconds, or go for 30 to 45 seconds. Challenge yourself with extended planks. Keep your head in a neutral position so you're facing the floor throughout the plank. Your head, neck, and spine should form a straight line. Try to hold the plank for 15 seconds. Continue breathing as you hold the position, then slowly lower yourself back to the floor. If you're not able to keep your back straight during an extended plank, stick to standard planks. Also follow a fat-burning diet. Pack plenty or protein sources into your diet. Protein helps build muscle, but it's important to choose high-fat options. These poultry, fish, legumes, nuts, eggs, and full-fat dairy products fill up on fruits and veggies to cut your calories. Fruits and veggies are packed with essential nutrients, and they can fill you up without adding extra calories. Don't skip healthy complex carbs. You might have heard that you need to cut carbs to lose weight. Consider a ketogenic diet, at least temporarily, if you need to lose fat. If you're not following a ketogenic diet, healthy grains are an important part of your diet, and they provide your muscles with the resources needed to grow. Just don't overeat them. Cut out sweets and processed foods. Drink loads of water instead of high-calorie drinks. Staying hydrated is important for your overall health, especially if you've started exercising more often.